Hi guys, I'm Bucky and today I'll be making onion powder. Stay tuned for more. Welcome to Bucky's Touch where we share all our DIYs and I'm Bucky. So we have our lovely onions here and we're gonna start by peeling off the skin. So guys, I just want to say thank you so much for 400 subscribers. Can you believe that? I am so grateful. And all I can say is God bless you. I apologize for the noise in the background. A neighbor of mine is playing loud music and I've shut all my windows, but it's like this music is just penetrating. Oh my, it's so annoying. If you're visiting my channel for the first time, thank you so much for stopping by. I will appreciate if you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can watch more videos. I post every week. Thank you. So now I'm gonna slice the onions into rings, but you can cut it however you want. Yeah, I find the rings are easier to handle for me. This one is not good, so I'm just gonna use 2 onions. And I'm gonna arrange it on this tray like this. But you see, I needed about 2 trays, but I'm still gonna try it this way and see just how long it takes. I have to bring it in the hot sun. I'm not gonna use a dehydrator. I'll use the sun. It worked well when I did the garlic powder. So now I've brought it outdoor in the sun. Yep.
Many days later.
So my onions are dry, but it took a long while because it wasn't very hot for these past days. Yeah, and I'm gonna use a coffee grinder to do the grinding. So we're gonna start by placing our dry onions in the coffee grinder and then we'll grind it into powder. Keep adding more onions as you grind. And we're getting there, but I'm trying to get it to be more fine than it's still looking coarse. Yeah, our onion powder is ready now, but it's not as fine as I would have loved it to be. It wasn't crispy dry, but it has still produced something and it smells good. I love onions. I know some people can't stand it, but I do. So there you go, guys, our onion powder. Yeah. And thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, hit the notification bell for more videos, like and share. And thank you so much for subscribing. Goodbye.